SHG Greentech. With an astute expertise, effectively rendering broad range of waste management solutions, while attaining highest standards of business ethics in a due course of time, impelling our expertise in various turnkey projects. SHG Greentech recognize the environmental implications while introducing an integral and one of its own concept where the whole approach elucidates an integral system which is laid out in a massive 50 acres of land, enabling us to tackle with all types of waste. Accommodate an office space for a highly qualified personnel, a full-fledged laboratory for sample analysis and fire safety unit, inventories and workshops are being accommodated to optimize the operations. Check-ins and weighing platforms are considered to overhaul and weigh the refuse trucks, timely conducted by our inspection team prior to any progression. After proper inspection, it is further transferred to respective zones. Municipal Solid Waste Sorting Unit is devised to segregate the waste, while a separate storage space is allocated to accommodate the solid waste which further fed into hopper through EOT cranes. Rigorous sorting is carried out through sieve-based trommels, magnetic and air separators, shredders and other specialized equipments to optimize operations while safety measures being taken care of by our personnel. While sorted waste derives into compost, refuse-derived fuel and other recyclable products. Composting unit is comprised of trommels, magnetic separator, maturation tank equipped with heap turner, odor control system and leachate collection tank where unconditioning compost is processed. Storage unit is accommodated by various byproducts: compost, baled cans, shredded plastics, RDF, which further goes to the respective zones. Moving grade-based incineration unit is adopted for energy recovery from RDF at an optimization of 15 to 20%, where RDF of high calorific being fed through EOT cranes into the feeder. Waste fed into chamber is combusted at above 1000 degrees Celsius, while a proportionate gas tends to convert into steam within steam drum. Flue gases are controlled with the help of scrubbers, back filters prior to any emissions through stack. Energy conversion into steam evolved during the combustion being trapped through economizer, where energy likely to convert into electricity by the help of steam turbo generator. Wastewater generated is sent to ETP, comprises of aeration and dosing tanks installed with ultrafiltration system. Cleaning unit is considered for rigorous washing of contaminated plastic and steel-based tanks by water jet spray. Shredder and baler is installed to shred sorted and washed plastics into plastic chips, while metals being baled to commercialize. E-waste recycling unit is installed with shredder, crusher, eddy currents, magnetic and electrostatic separator in order to recover precious metals as gold, copper and other valuable metals. Treatment and storage unit is considered for biomedical, semi-solid and liquid waste. Prior to sorting, waste consists of pathogens being sterilized with the help of autoclave. Hazardous waste incinerate treatment unit comprised of latest rotary kiln based furnace equipped with an efficient PLC SCADA. Solid, semi-solid and liquid waste is fed into chamber by the help of hopper and nozzles, where combustion occurs at about 1000 degrees Celsius, vented towards a secondary chamber. Flue gases are controlled with the help of scrubbers, back filters prior to any emissions through stack. Effluent water generated is sent to ETP, comprises of aeration and dosing tanks installed with ultrafiltration system. Accommodate an industrial storage unit for tires, used oil, spent batteries, lead ingots, lube and base oil. Lead battery recycling unit installed with smelting furnace where obtained lead scrap being smelted, equipped with emission control system. while remelted lead being refined into refining pot, obtaining lead ingots through ingot casting machine. Used oil recycling unit comprises of oil distillation column, condensers and bleaching unit with filter press which has the tendency to recover base oil from the used ones. Pyrolysis based unit is considered to recover carbon black, steel wire and pyrolysis oil from used plastic and tires where combustion occurs under 600 degrees Celsius. Accommodate scrap metals in a separate zone. Sewage treatment plant is adopted to eliminate the contaminants where highly TDS wastewater passing through aerobic digester tanks, activated carbon and pressure sand filters. Sanitary landfill is conceived to accommodate and residual waste while heavy contaminants are collected in leachate collection zone. SHG Green Tech always believes in clean and sustainable concept. We appreciate your valuable time.